Hi lovelies, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today we are making the simple, softest, yummiest gingerbread loaf. The whole kitchen is about to smell like Christmas. Let's start by mixing our dry ingredients. I have flour, baking soda, baking powder, grounded ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Mix these together until combined. In another bowl, add warm water. You can use milk instead of water, oil, brown sugar, and egg. Give that a good mix. Now you add in your flour mix. Mix well until well incorporated. Make sure you don't overmix your batter. The full list of ingredients is in the description box. Transfer the batter to a lined loaf pan and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees C for about 40 to 45 minutes or until the skewer inserted comes out clean. Let it cool at least 20 minutes before slicing. And that's our Vlogmas gingerbread loaf. I had to taste this, and my goodness, it was so soft, so delicious. You actually need to give this a try, and it tastes even better the next day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more festive recipes. See you in the next Vlogmas episode. Bye.